Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the K-1 and the K-3 visa. So the K-3 visa oftentimes, at least in the past, was sort of euphemistically referred, that's how you sort of referred to a marriage visa. But strictly speaking, practitioners don't think of the K-3 as the marriage visa. If anything, the K-3 is kind of a newbie to the visa family, if you will. It was created under the Life Act in the 90s under President Clinton. It was created at a time when the backlog for immigrant spouse visas was quite long compared to fiancé visas, which is not too far off of what we're dealing with here. Now, the K-3 has been known to be administratively closed in terms of cases processed through the National Visa Center, so it's kind of a toss-up whether or not you'll even see a K-3 ultimately processed through a given embassy or consulate, depending on circumstances. The thing to take away from this video, though, is a comparison between the K-1 and the K-3. Well, first off, both of them are technically non-immigrant visas, which means that at some point in the future, with either visa, you're going to need to deal with adjustment of status if you want your spouse to live in the United States full-time in green card status. The K-3 does not confer a green card, as does the K-1. It doesn't confer a green card either. But the K-1, you're not married yet. So where I see people getting kind of confused with the K-3 is they think, well, we're married, that means she gets a green card at entry. No. The CR1 or the IR1 visa allows green card at entry, immigrant spouse visas. They also take longer oftentimes to process because you have to deal with what I would call the quagmire of the National Visa Center. So the thing to take away from this video is the K-3 exists and under limited circumstances may be useful for those married, especially American citizens, married to a foreign national. The K-1, if you're is for unmarried folks, but at the end of the day, it all kind of culminates in the same thing, which is adjustment of status to green card status or lawful permanent residence in the United States of America.